Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Barira came to me and said, I have purchased my freedom in exchange for 9 of silver. 1 of silver will be paid annually, so help me. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, If your masters like, I will make lump sum payment and manumit you, and after doing so the right to inherit will be for me. Thus she went to her masters, but they refused to do so. Barira said, I gave them this option, but they refused, provided the right of inheritance will be for them. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired of me about it. So I told him the whole story. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Purchase her and then set her free and accept their condition, because the right to inherit goes to the one who emancipates. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood up among the people, and after praising and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, To proceed, what is the matter with the people who impose such conditions as are not in Allah's book, and the condition that is not in Allah's book is void, though there are 100 conditions, because Allah's decree is the truest and Allah's condition is the firmest. What is the matter with the people that some of you say, Oh, so and so, you may manumit, but right to inherit will be for me, whereas the right to inherit is for him who emancipates. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2563.